Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a Halloween card using only dies. Let's get started. Okay, so this card comes together really quickly. I have the Stylish Scroll embossing folder, and I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to line it up. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot, and this card has no stamping. It's just a quick card for when you're in a little pinch. So let's run that through. Don't y'all love this embossing folder? Oh, I absolutely love it. All right, so we'll put that aside, and I'm going to add my fillet adapter. Excuse me. I have a piece of terracotta tile, and we are using the Wicked die, and then we are also using Word Wishes, and I have Happy and Halloween. We'll run that through. Oh, I forgot to mention on the back of the terracotta tile, I do have the multi-purpose adhesive sheet on the back. However, you can use Tombow mono adhesive, or you can use our excuse me, our fine tip glue pen. All right, so that popped out nicely. All right, and then we'll take our Halloween. All right, so let's move this out of the way. Whoa. All right, our card base is also terracotta tile, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I am going to get our emboss piece here, and I'm going to put it down with some SNAIL adhesive. All right, so just like that, let's start with the Happy. I'm going to go ahead and bring in my paper piercer just quickly to pull the backs off. All right, and I'm not going to place it down all the way yet until I get everything exactly where I want it. Get off. All right. There we go. Whoops. All right, so I want the wicked right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press that down just like that. And pull this back up. Happy Wicked Halloween. All right, right there. All right, so there you have it, a Happy Wicked Halloween card with absolutely no stamping. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!